Hey guys, tonight we're not chasing comets or exploring explosive supernovas. No, tonight we're doing something much, much slower. We're going to observe the grand, deliberate, and utterly uneventful ballet of our solar system. Forget the thrilling sci-fi sagas Hollywood sold you. The truth is, the cosmos is mostly very, very quiet. Before you get too comfortable, take a moment to gently tap that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe. But only if you genuinely feel yourself easing into this cosmic.com. Hey, and let me know in the comments where you're retuning in from and what time it is for you. It's always fascinating to see who's joining us from across the globe, drifting off with the stars. Now, dim the lights. Maybe turn on a fan for that soft background hum, or perhaps a gentle rain sound. And let's ease into tonight's celestial journey together. Congratulations, you've just arrived in the inner solar system. It's right next to Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet. You'd think, being so close to the sun, it'd be a bustling hub of activity. But no, Mercury's main claim to fame is its incredibly long days and incredibly short years. Imagine that. One Mercurian day is longer than its entire year. Picture this. As you float here, Mercury is slowly, deliberately rotating on its axis, taking a staggering 58 Earth days to complete just one turn. It's not exactly a breakneck spin, is it? While it leisurely pirouettes, it's also orbiting the sun, completing that loop in a mere 88 Earth days. It's like a very, very slow-motion athlete trying to break a world record for its deliberate movement. No rush here. It's the quiet hum of solar radiation. Let that slow, deliberate motion lull you. Now, let's drift a little further, past the sun's intense glare, to Venus. Ah, Venus, Earth's sister planet. If your sister was perpetually shrouded in suffocating, toxic clouds and rotated backwards, that's right. While most planets spin counterclockwise, Venus, like a true rebel, insists on spinning clockwise. But don't imagine a fast, dizzying spin. Oh no, Venus has the slowest rotation of any planet in our solar system. A single day on Venus lasts an astonishing 243 Earth days. To put that in perspective, it's here. The time it takes to orbit the sun is only 225 Earth days. So, a day on Venus is actually longer than its year. Just imagine trying to get anything done in a single day that lasts longer than your entire annual calendar. You'd probably just give up and go to sleep, which, conveniently, is precisely what we're aiming for. Feel the gentle, heavy atmosphere of Venus pressing down, urging you into stillness. And now, our home, Earth. You might think our planet is moving fast, hurtling through space, but in the grand cosmic scheme, our familiar spin is quite leisurely. One full rotation takes 24 hours, a full day. You're experiencing it right now, a gentle, continuous rotation that we barely perceive. It's the ultimate background hum to our lives. Can't our constant companion, the moon, it's not just orbiting us, it's tidally locked, meaning it always shows us the same face. It's like a very polite, unchanging dance partner. The moon's rotation takes exactly the same amount of time as its orbit around Earth, about 27.3 Earth days. A perfectly synchronized, slow waltz in the cosmic ballroom. Let the rhythmic, predictable dance of Earth and moon guide your breath into a calm, steady rhythm. Moving outward, we reach Mars, the red planet, often portrayed as the destination for future human exploration. Mars offers a more familiar, yet still profoundly slow, rhythm. Its day is remarkably similar to ours, lasting just over 24 hours and 37 minutes. So, if you were on Mars, you'd barely notice a difference in the passage of a day, save for the reddish hue of the sky. Its year, however, is much longer, nearly to Earth years, as Mars slowly, predictably, traces its elliptical path around the sun. The seasons on Mars stretch out, each lasting much longer than our own. Imagine a Martian winter that drags on for months on end. No rushing here, no sudden changes, just the deliberate, almost imperceptible march of time across a dusty, rust-colored landscape. Feel the ancient, unchanging rhythm of the Martian day settling into your own. Beyond Mars, between it and Jupiter, lies the asteroid belt, often depicted as a treacherous minefield in movies. The reality is far more boring. It's an enormous, vast expanse of space containing millions, if not billions, of asteroids. But here's the thing, they are incredibly spread out. You could fly a spaceship right through it and likely not encounter a single asteroid for millions of miles. Each of these rocky fragments, from pebbles to dwarf planets, is on its own slow, predictable orbit around the sun. They're not crashing into each other every minute. They're gently drifting, maintaining their immense distances. Think of it as a cosmic gravel road, where each piece of gravel is content to stay exactly where it is, quietly doing nothing for eons. It's the ultimate quiet neighborhood, where nothing ever happens too quickly. Let the vast, silent emptiness of the asteroid belt cradle you. Now, we arrive at the undisputed king of our solar system, Jupiter, the gas giant. This colossal planet is so large that all the other planets could fit inside it. You might expect something so massive to be ponderous, but Jupiter actually has a surprisingly fast rotation, completing a day in just under 10 Earth hours. However, its most iconic feature, the Great Red Spot, offers a perfect example of cosmic slowness. This isn't just a storm. It's an anticyclonic storm larger than Earth, and it's been raging for at least 350 years, maybe even longer. Imagine a hurricane on Earth lasting for centuries. Its immense, churning winds create a truly slow, methodical spectacle. It's a perpetual, unhurried tempest, an eternal whirlpool of gas, turning and turning without end. Let the vast, slow churn of Jupiter's storms gently swirl you into a deeper state of relaxation. Drifting further, we encounter the breathtaking beauty of Saturn and its magnificent rings. These aren't solid structures, of course. They're made of billions of tiny ice particles and rocks, ranging in size from specks of dust to mountains, all orbiting the planet at their own independent speeds. The rings themselves are incredibly thin, yet span vast distances. And while the particles within them are constantly moving, from our perspective, they create a mesmerizing, almost static image of tranquil perfection. It's an endless, silent ballet of icy fragments, each locked into its own slow, predictable path. A perpetual, cosmic hula hoop. There's no rush in Saturn's rings, just the serene, quiet majesty of endless, icy orbits. Let the quiet perfection of Saturn's rings fill your mind with calm. Beyond Saturn, we find Uranus, the ice giant. What makes Uranus particularly boring for our purposes, and yet fascinating, is its extreme axial tilt. Unlike most planets, which spin somewhat upright, Uranus is practically lying on its side, rotating almost perpendicular to its orbit. It's like a rolling ball rather than a spinning top. This means that for large parts of its incredibly long year, one pole is continuously bathed in sunlight, while the other is plunged into continuous darkness. Imagine a sunrise that takes decades to complete. There's no dramatic daily change here, no vibrant shifts, just a very, very slow, drawn-out experience of light and shadow. It's the epitome of a planet taking its time. Let the vast, sleepy tilt of Uranus gently push you towards the quiet corners of your mind. And finally, at the edge of our known solar system, the enigmatic ice giant, Neptune, is the farthest planet from the Sun, and therefore experiences extremely long seasons, each lasting about 40 Earth years. Imagine a winter that lasts for decades. Despite being an ice giant, Neptune is known for having the fastest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of over 2,000 kilometers per hour. However, because of the immense scale of the planet and the vastness of space, Furious winds appear as slow, churning patterns when observed from afar. It's a distant, icy realm where everything, even storms, moves with a profound sense of cosmic deliberation. The cold, unhurried movements of Neptune invite a stillness that's hard to resist. Beyond Neptune lies the Kuiper Belt, a vast ring of icy bodies, home to dwarf planets like Pluto and countless comets. And, even further out, the theoretical Oort cloud, a spherical shell of icy objects that stretches nearly a light year from the Sun. These are the truly distant, truly quiet, and truly uneventful parts of our solar system. Here, objects drift in near absolute silence and darkness, taking thousands, even millions of years to complete a single orbit around the Sun. There's no action, no drama, just the immense, cold, silent expanse of space. Okay, they are the ultimate cosmic background, the quiet hum that surrounds our entire solar system. Okay, let the infinite, silent expanse of the outer reaches of our solar system gently pull you into the deepest, most peaceful sleep. So, as these distant, icy bodies continue their unimaginably slow dance through the dark, we'll bring our cosmic journey to a gentle close. Remember, the universe is mostly empty, vast, and very, very quiet. And sometimes that's exactly what we need. Thank you for joining me on this slow, celestial tour. I hope the quiet majesty of the planets, their long rotations, and their unhurried orbits have helped you find your own path to peaceful slumber. Until next time, may your dreams be as vast and as quiet as the cosmos itself. Good night.